All right, today in the mail, I received a package from my buddy Alan Culler. If you don't know Alan, Alan is a business consultant. That's how I met him. Considered him a mentor for mine for quite a number of years. And Alan has written a new book. And Alan said, I'm going to send you one. So it just came in the mail. And I thought I would do a little unboxing of Alan's new book. So here's where I got it in the mail. And I'm excited to see my friend's new book. So let's figure out how we're going to open this thing up here. It's very well secured. And here we go. It is Change Leader, Who Me by Alan Culler. Right? Hard-earned wisdom for those new to leading change. Beautifully articulates a powerful and often overlooked truth. Leadership in driving change is not confined to titles. Every individual possesses the capacity. So here's the book. Looks like a proper thick book. I would expect nothing lightweight from my buddy Alan. And it is, I've got a little inscription, which I will read to you as well. I did ask him for a signed copy. It says, Kevin, it's a long way from light throat drink. Great to see how you have developed. I'm a huge idea guy fan, Alan. And that's very sweet. I will share that that background is a quick reference to a story of when Alan came to celebrate my birthday. I'll tell the short version of this story. Alan came to celebrate my birthday, which is July 4th. And Alan gave me a bag. And in the bag, there's a bottle of Goldschlager, a bag of M80s, and a lighter. And Alan said, repeat after me, drink, light, throw. And I said, drink, light, throw. And Alan said, say it again. I said, drink, light, throw. Through the rest of the evening, that became a little more complex. And it was often light, drink, throw, which really changed the context of the game. But I am very excited for my friend Alan Culler and his new book, Change Leaders, Who Me. I will be sure to give a report back as to what I've learned to my friend and to you. And but for today, congratulations, Alan. You continue to inspire me.